Okay guys, so NavMesh link. What it does is connects two platforms. We have the right platform and these two small ones. There is a gap between them, so normally the agent cannot walk from this platform to the other. So how we can solve this? We need to use a link. Okay, so the link has an agent type which is here set to orc, which means that only orcs can walk on this surface. I have my agent here somewhere hidden, it's a bit shy. If I try to move it to this platform, it will not work because the agent type is set to orc and this agent is set to humanoid. Now going back to the NavMesh link, I can change it to humanoid. I don't even need to rebake anything. And when I click, it works. Area type. So this refers to the link itself, and it can be changed to whatever area type you have. I have one, which is the basic one. It is walkable with a cost of 1. And I created one called water with a cost of 5. Now, if you did not see the full explanation in the previous video about areas, please check it out. In this one, I will just go through it briefly. And it's very simple. What it does is basically sets how hard it is to move on any typical area. So let's say the water has a cost of 5. It's 5 times harder to move on this area than on walkable, for example. So if I have this NavMesh link, right, and if I create another one like this, put both of them to humanoid, and I change this one's area type to water, and I move its positions here. So normally, if this would be walkable, and let's demonstrate it, the agent, since it's closer to this NavMesh link, it will prefer this one to jump to this platform. If I change it to water, it will go on this. Because the water has a cost of 5, walkable has a cost of 1. Okay, next setting, cost override. So even though I set the area type to water, I can put the cost override function. I set it to 1, which is the same as walkable. And if I click here, this NavMesh link is used, even though the area type is water. The positions is just showing these link positions. You can actually use a game object, and then all the time you move the game object, the NavMesh link should update, but it doesn't. Why? It doesn't update because auto update position is disabled. So if I enable it, then the position will be updated automatically. Okay, bidirectional, it's very easy. If it's only one directional, then maybe you can jump. If I disable it, even in the arrows, if you can see, here there is an arrow, here is not, so it means that I can only use the link in this way. The width can also be changed. This is very helpful because if it's 1, means that the agent has to go directly to this area to use the link, but now because it's increased, and let's say I move it here. Oops, this is in the air. Let's fix it. Okay. Increase it the width even more. Now I don't need, actually the agent, not me, doesn't need to go here. If I click, it will go anywhere where the width is highlighted. Yeah, that's for the NavMesh link. On the next tutorial, we'll go through the other component. Thank you.